Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third and final installment of my Nest With Me videos. I've done two other parts of this, so I will link them throughout this video if you want to see, but it's just basically us doing what we need to do to get ready for baby, and we are officially ready for him. Today's video is just lots of time lapses. We're building some furniture, a stroller, sterilizing his bottles, doing some decorating, so yeah, just thought we'd bring you along. I did want to take a second to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this portion of the video. You guys know I love Skillshare. I've been working with them for over a year now, and I still stand by it. I totally love it. If you don't know what Skillshare is yet, it is an online learning community for creative outlets. So whether you want to deepen a creative passion like cooking or interior design or garden, or you want to dabble into something new like photography or art classes even, they have something for everyone. And it's curated just for learning, so there's no ads to interrupt you. I personally love the chapter breakdown so that you can either revisit chapters later on, or if you need to stop and take a break in the middle of a class, they make it very easy to do so. You guys know I mostly take classes on gardening, but there is a very cute and helpful video from Jonathan Van Ness from Queer Eye on how to make like a self-care journal. It is so cute. It's such a fun watch. I would highly recommend it. It's just a really great way to dip your toes into something creative. So if you have any interest at all in Skillshare, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring whatever classes you want. If you join, let me know what classes you take and what you enjoy. And yeah, thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. And let's get into the nesting. So I guess we're starting this video in the evening time as it is dark, but Bradley is bringing in one of the lamps we got for his room. This is actually the same lamp that I have in my office. I have it in pink in my office. Obviously we got it in gray. It also does come in black, and it was a little bit different than my pink one. I got my pink one like a couple years ago, so they kind of updated it. But yeah, I love the way it looks. I love the gray against the gold and the black triangles. I just thought it looked really cool. And it does have a really weird kind of touch on and off button. So here's Bradley crawling underneath the crib to try and plug it in. And we had a hard time figuring out how it turned on and off, but then we eventually got it. So yeah, loving this lamp. We do need another lamp for the little side table there. And then Bradley had the daunting task of putting together the changing table. Poor Bradley, since we moved, has just been putting together so much furniture. So thank you, honey, if you're watching. But yeah, we got this changing table slash, I really like the way it looks, actually. I'm really pleased with it, but it's a changing table slash like shelving unit, cubbies, and it's from Target, and it was pretty affordable. It also came in white, but I was super into this gray color. And of course, no task is complete without some Ludi lovin'. He's always just right next to us as we do anything, especially on the floor. And then he's gotta give you some kisses as a break, just so you relax. So he's just so cute. So that's what's happening here. I don't know what Bradley's saying or singing, but yeah, we just have some Ludo and Bradley lovin'. So yeah, like I said, I really like the way it turned out just as far as looks. Obviously, we haven't used it, you know, as changing a diaper on top of it yet. But you'll see in a second, I did arrange the cubbies a little bit, and I just really like the way it looks. So I'll link that. I'll link whatever I can down below. But yep, there I am arranging some books. I just wanted to make the most of these cubbies, and I'm sure I'll rearrange them later on down the line. But for now, I wanted the books right there next to the little rocking chair. So if we want to read to him, they're right there. I also arranged a little cubby with all of his diaper changing supplies, so the diapers, the wipes, the creams, the lotions, you know, all that good stuff, just right there organized so I can grab it and use it when I'm changing his diapers. We had a few things left in boxes, so I'm just unboxing them. The Hiccapop wipe warmer we're going to keep in the bathroom where it can be easily plugged in. The Hatch sound machine, which is going to go right next to the crib, and then the Owlet baby monitor. Then we had some decor I wanted to put up, so we put up some shelves, and these are actually the shelves, if you've been following me for a while, that we used in our apartment. The white shelves, I got them off Amazon. They're great, they're affordable, they come in a pack of 3. I will link them down below. And we have a lot of them, and I wanted to put kind of like a gallery wall of shelves, if you will. So Bradley is hanging up the shelves, using his level as he does. The pack of shelves come in 3 different lengths, so we just kind of put them all near each other, kind of stacked, you know, staggered. And then I got to decorating. I got so many questions about these when I put them on Instagram. We got them in Tokyo, and so we love our Totoro nesting dolls. And they fit perfectly on this little shelf, so I put those on that one. There are a couple more tiny pieces in that last one, but they don't need to come out. Then I put, Bradley's mom got us this little pack of Dr. Seuss books, which I thought was cute, so I just put those up there with a little book end, whatever you call it. I'm just playing around with some crystals. I have the figment shelf, which I like to call it, and I was really pleased. And then I did add some more on that top shelf. I put the Dumbo planter that I got at Downtown Disney a while ago. If you remember, those were all the rage. I slapped that up there, and then also this really cute stacking ring toy. I loved the colors, so I put that up there. And then, yeah, the Totoro dolls, as you already saw. And then, of course, the Figment plush, which he can eventually play with if he wishes. But also my sister got me this really cool One Little Spark sheet music art that I just slapped up there. We have a plant pot that needs a plant in it still. I have my rainbow Vitalmation, a crystal. So yeah, I'm just playing around with how it looks. I like the pops of purple. That's my favorite color. And then we just had a bunch of crap on the floor to get to. Some more baby laundry. This was filmed right after we filmed the baby prep, last minute baby prep haul. I will link that up in the corner where we just got kind of all the odds and ends we needed to feel prepared. So we're just kind of putting everything away, washing whatever needs to be washed. I added some more books to the bookshelf. We have so many swaddles and receiving blankets that I just kind of have, oh, another Ludo break. I look so sad. I don't think I was sad. I think I was just enjoying my hug. Who knows though. But look at him, he's just so cute, and he just wants to help and be a part of everything. He is my favorite thing in the world. My goodness. Oh, my boy. Anyway, I have so many swaddles and receiving blankets and like muslin blanket things, so I roll them up and I put them in these baskets just for easy storage. And yeah, just putting everything away. Back when I first found out I was pregnant, my best friend Chassie sent me some cute things, one of them being this macrame rainbow, which I believe you can get on Etsy, and if you can, I will link that down below, but I love it. I think it is so cute. And then Chassie also made and sent us right away when we found out we were pregnant this really cool, I guess just like felt, I think it's made out of felt, hangy thingy, but it's the colors of the rainbow, and I love it, and it fit perfectly in between this little section between the bathroom and the closet. So Bradley's just hanging that up with a command hook, and I love it so much. Everyone was asking me, what's the theme of the nursery? What's the theme? What are the colors? I didn't want any of that. I just wanted a lot of colors. I wanted the black and white accent wall with the gold crib, and then room for just so many colors, rainbows, purple, blue. Just, it could be anything we wanted it to be. So I'm really pleased with the amount of color that we brought into the room. Then we had the task of sterilizing bottles, which I still needed to open all of the bottles that I purchased in that said last minute baby prep Target haul. Baby List, which is where we registered, has these amazing boxes where it's called the pacifier box and the bottle box, where they send you one of each kind of random assortment of pacifiers and bottles because you never know what your baby will like. So I took everything out of the packaging, I'm recycling all that and just getting everything to go to be sterilized. I didn't buy a sterilizer. I read on Google you could just do it in a pot, so that's what we're doing. We're starting with the pacifiers, so it's just a boiling pot of water and I'm throwing them all in carefully not to burn myself. And you let them boil for 5 minutes. And yeah, I thought it was like, is it okay? Will it melt? But according to Google, it won't. And they didn't melt, so we're good. But yeah, I just boil that for 5 minutes and then take everything out to dry, and then I did the same with the bottles. I didn't know what to do with this monkey because the pacifier didn't detach from the monkey, so I just dipped him for like 2 minutes and then I set him out to dry. And then lastly, Bradley put together our Doona, which is a infant car seat / stroller. This thing is incredible. I've been wanting it. I did a lot of research. If you're doing baby research, Babylist has a ton of really good videos that are quick and to the point, but they give you all the pros and the cons so you can really make a good decision. I have friends who love this thing, and just to me it sounded just like a must-have. So this is what we went for our infant car seat. But the whole thing about this is it's a car seat, but it's also a stroller. So if they're napping and you take them somewhere, so here it is in its car seat form / carrying form. So you just take it out of the car, you can carry it, but then you can gently release the wheels and it becomes a freaking stroller. So you're not disturbing the baby as he's sleeping, and you're not just like carrying around the big ass carrier. And the handle adjusts to be longer so you can push it around as a stroller. So we are fans of that. So yeah guys, that is it for today's Nest With Me and for the Nest With Me videos in general. I hope you enjoyed them. We are officially ready for baby, so yeah, it feels good. We feel nice and organized and as ready as we possibly could be. I will give you guys a full nursery tour in a little bit. It's not quite done as far as decor. There's some more things we want to get, and I'll just wait for that. So yeah, stay tuned for a full nursery decor tour. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.